bum, 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 bum. Leading with adverbs of frequency. Tips and tricks. When I teach adverbs of frequency, I teach students to put the adverb of frequency in the middle of the sentence. For example, I sometimes buy a cup of coffee. I am usually at work by 9 o'clock. Some students ask about putting the adverb of frequency at the beginning of the sentence, not in the middle. So instead of saying, I sometimes buy a cup of coffee, they want to say, sometimes I buy a cup of coffee. Or instead of, I am usually at work by 9 o'clock, they say, usually I am at work by 9 o'clock. And they ask, can you do this? The answer is yes, but not with all adverbs of frequency. So which adverbs of frequency can you do this with? The column on the left, it's okay. You can start sentences with usually, often, frequently, generally, sometimes, and occasionally. The column on the right, don't do it. Don't start sentences with always, almost always, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, almost never, or never. So for example, you can say, sometimes I buy a cup of coffee, and usually I'm at work by 9 o'clock. But look at this, always I drive to work. Don't start with always. It sounds unnatural to Americans. They will probably understand you, but it will just sound very strange to them. Say, I always drive to work. Likewise, don't say, never I take the bus. Again, that will sound strange to Americans. Say, I never take the bus. So if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.